My name is Greg Miller, and I'm a sophomore in SGC studying aerospace engineering. For my practicum project, I worked at Parkdale High School, which is just a few minutes away from campus. At the school, I worked with high school students and their after-school robotics club. The purpose of their club was to learn engineering principles by designing and building a first competition robot. Once finished, the students' goal was to then compete with the robot to perform various tasks in local first robotics competitions. With fellow scholar students, I went to Parkdale once a week to first teach the students professional design and prototyping skills that they could apply not only to this project, but to any engineering-oriented problem they need to solve in the future. Once we taught the design basics, including how to brainstorm a design, CAD that design, and ultimately build a prototype, we oversaw and aided the students as they built their first iteration of their robot. This service project was part of a larger service learning class taught by Tim Reedy that analyzed the importance of STEM education and its societal implications. Throughout this process, I've come to understand just how important STEM educators are to our nation's future and the further work that needs to be done to decrease the education gap between certain socioeconomic groups. This class highlighted the alarming degree to which schools in lower income areas are subject to a lack of funding, which ultimately increases the poverty gap once those students enter the workforce. As it stands, this issue is only likely to get worse in the future as inequalities exist at a higher rate in the STEM field that is growing exponentially and imperative to our future. This project was very insightful and fulfilling, and I would highly recommend to all SGC students to take advantage of the opportunity to take this class.